Hey, welcome to this Llama Research Explainer. We're breaking down the shift from research platforms to AI factories.
So let's address the elephant in the room for AI builders. Why do most enterprise pilots just stall out?
The brutal truth is organizational amnesia. Every session starts from zero, so systems literally can't compound any value.
To fix this, we've got to shift from static research platforms into continuous, self-improving AI factories.
Think of an AI factory as industrialized judgment. It constantly produces governed work and actually learns from outcomes.
But how does this engine actually get better? Well, it learns directly from its own generated results.
It runs on a strict loop. Inputs lead to a proposal, then a human gate, and finally tagged outcomes. First up, specialized agents grab raw inputs, like data feeds, and transform them into highly structured proposals.
Here's the safeguard, though. Agents only propose. Any actual consequential deployment waits on a strict human gate.
Finally, decisions get tagged and scored. This extracts one strict, highly actionable lesson every single Friday.
This exact loop makes continuous learning super safe, building robust governance right into your regulated workflows.
You absolutely need strict separation between your experimental shadow lanes and those highly conservative, human-gated production lanes.
Without those hard boundaries, human-in-the-loop AI is just theater. It's a dangerous illusion of actual control.
Real factories use hard rails. We're talking fail-close defaults, permanent human vetoes, and complete audit provenance everywhere.
Now, inputs change across finance, government, or healthcare, but that underlying factory skeleton, it stays exactly the same.
Because these lessons persist, you build real institutional memory. Your AI literally never forgets on a Monday.
Enterprise builders, copy this. Separate your lanes, tag decisions, build that closed loop, and run weekly reviews.
Which leaves us with one massive question. Are you just running AI experiments or operating a true AI factory?